Hello, and welcome to the Fastex Guide. To begin your journey as a Fastex user, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Play Market. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up or Login button. Scroll down and select Sign Up. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique password and make sure it's between 10 to 30 characters and includes at least one special symbol, one uppercase letter, lowercase letter and one number. After that, check the required boxes and tap the Register button. Next, you'll need to activate your account. Head to your email inbox and look for the activation message. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, you can easily resend the email. Once you receive it, make sure it's from Fastex, then click the Activate button. Congratulations! You're now logged into Fastex Exchange. If you have any questions along the way, our live support team is available 24/7 to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay updated on everything happening at Fastex Exchange. Thanks for watching.